everyone, so not only am I super impressed with the look and design of this TV stand fireplace mantle, but look at how big this fireplace is. Like, it is going to bring all the cozy vibes and feels into our house. So I did receive this from the brand in exchange to share our thoughts and opinions of it with you, and so let's get straight to it.
So I absolutely love the Farmhouse modern design of this. And so here you can see it has this nice, thick, heavy particle board here on top. I absolutely love the texture of this wood. And then all throughout it, it has this fluted design. And then you can even see that texture that they have here on the white part of this fireplace. I absolutely love that they included that and definitely giving it more of that farmhouse style vibe. So here is the fireplace and it is ginormous. It is 42 inches wide. The TV stand in and of itself is also ginormous, being 70 inches wide, being able to hold large TVs. Anyways, it comes with 3 drawers right here. And so here you can see me opening one. It's a great place to store remotes and books and other things that you need to. We have kids in our home. And so here we just use one of the drawers for diapers and wipes, which is just super convenient. And then here is what the size of the drawer looks like when it is empty. So this fireplace can be controlled with a remote control or on the panel on the fireplace itself. And so here I am. It has a power button. This button turns the heat on, but you will need the remote control to adjust it. So it does come with 8 different color options. And then here I'm going to show you the different ranges of the colors. One option though includes just a transition between all the different colors, which is so fun. And then lastly, there is this button that will put on a timer anywhere from 1 hour to 8 hours. Here is what the remote control looks like. So it does have all of the options that the panel does. And so here you can see me switching through all of the different colors. Isn't that absolutely so fun? And so this is the one that transitions to a whole different color. Here I'm pushing the heat button, and then with the remote control, you can adjust the heat. So it can go anywhere from 64 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, which is such an awesome range. I absolutely love it because you can tell that the heat is very powerful coming from this fireplace, and so it's going to do a great job warming up the room. And then like before, you also have the timer button. Anywhere from 1 hour to 8 hours is what you can set it to. Anyways, I absolutely love this fireplace. It is stunning. It adds a beautiful design to our house. You can tell that they really put thought into the texture and look of it and quality. And so if you're looking for a fireplace TV stand, I definitely recommend this one.